Developing your trading plan and the skills necessary to be profitable in the market will take time. This is why staying patient and disciplined is the key to your success. Like I have said, you are so lucky to have this academy to skip all of the frustration that people go through trying to learn this skill. I would say most traders quit early simply because they don't have access to an academy like this. So you have a huge jumpstart or edge over other traders. You're going to need to be patient when waiting for the right trade opportunities that match up with your trading plan. You'll have to stay patient as you wait to enter and exit trades at the right moment. The good news is that opportunities for good trades occur often. So remember that rushing into a bad trade is just going to set you back and keep you from reaching your goal. You'll have to stay disciplined, which means you do what you need to do to progress and get better, even if you don't feel like doing it. That means that you are preparing for each day or week by researching and studying the charts. It means keeping a trade journal on every single trade, even when you don't feel like it. Remember, keeping a trade journal is what separates the profitable from the unprofitable traders. Everything you have learned in this academy is easy and it is teachable. But what I can't teach you is how to be patient and disciplined to make the right decisions. This is something you have to learn on your own as a trader in the market. So be patient with yourself as you start your journey to becoming a successful trader. I promise it's worth it. We talked in an earlier section about mistakes that lead to losing your account. New traders will watch the market move while they wait for a good setup, and instead of feeling at ease or at peace as they wait, they feel anxious because they feel like they are missing out on profits. Train your mind early to not feel this way. Thinking like this leads to impulse trading, letting losing trades run for too long, closing winning trades too early, and revenge trading. You know this is what leads to blowing your account. So train your mind early to be patient and disciplined as you stick to your trading plan. Remember, this is a marathon and not a sprint. If you can survive in the market as you make good trading decisions, you should be profitable in the long run. You know by now this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, rather an opportunity to create real financial freedom for yourself through building a skill that will allow you to make money at any time. That's true financial freedom.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.